Welcome back, workshop enthusiasts. We're trustedshopguy.com and today we are in the workshop. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our 5 highest rated Spotweld cutters and drills. The Spotweld cutter is probably one of the most flexible pieces of spot welding equipment. It can be used in practically any material, which makes it a fantastic tool for joining metals of various sorts and densities. So as long as your project is constructed of steel or aluminum-based metals, this tool should suffice. In this video, join us as we browse through 5 of the best spot weld cutters and drills on the market, and don't forget to take your pick at the end. The team at TrustedShopGuy.com have researched, assessed, and awarded ratings to all the spot weld cutters and drills that'll be presented in this video. We have selected our top-rated options so that you'll be able to decide on the ideal choice. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. Be sure to visit our website at TrustedShopGuy.com for more of our research in the workshop, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The first spot weld cutter and drill in our list is the Blair spot weld cutter, which our team at TrustedShopGuy.com has awarded a 5-badge rating. One of the top brands of spot weld cutters is Blair. It is the leader in its field because it uses cutting-edge technology and high-quality materials to ensure its products are tough, reliable, and competitively priced. This annular cutter makes cutting clean, smooth, and free of burrs, which will help you get more done at work. Best of all, the products are packaged in a carrying case that measures 8 by 6 by 1.5 inches and weighs around 0.1 pounds. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: sharp teeth. Its teeth never shear off, and you can even resharpen them if you have a diamond wheel. Complete set. Out of the box, you'll get 3 bits for your professional spot welding. Aside from that, it also has an arbor assembly with 2 skip-proof pilots. Carrying case. This set comes with a carrying case for easy transportation, safe storage, and quick organization. Highly reliable. The blades have a spring-loaded pin in the center to help you smoothly grind through the spot-welded material. It drills out spot welds in a way that produces a very clean hole without distorting the sheet metal and keeping the underlying panel unscathed. Keeping all of that in mind, the important thing you have to consider about this product prior to your purchase is it cuts at a slower speed in order to achieve clean holes. The second spot weld cutter and drill in our list is the Handook spot weld cutter, which our team at TrustedShopGuy.com has awarded a 4-badge rating. Handook consistently provides precise and smooth cutting all day, every day. Its 3/8-inch heavy-duty, high-speed metal cutting blade is made from high-quality heat-resistant steel, providing super-fast cutting action that quickly separates spot-welded panels without distortion. And just like Blair, Handook also comes with a compact carrying case where you can put all the items. Overall, it weighs 0.4 pounds. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: double-sided design. The double-sided rotary cutter blade helps you save time and money. You simply have to flip the bit around on its arbor assembly when one side gets dull to get the sharper end. Easily separate panels. This spot weld cutter kit is suitable for drilling out spot welds in most vehicle panels, including galvanized, boron, and high-stress steels. It allows the removal of the top panel only, leaving the back panel intact. Superb grinding. Specially forged by seasoned craftsmen, the hardness of the cutting edge is up to 63 to 66 HRC. The cutting edge is sharper and the piercing ability is better. Complete set. You can save time and money with this bonus pack, which includes 2 rotary spot drills with cutting blades and 5 extra blades. Keeping all of that in mind, the important thing you have to consider about this product prior to your purchase is there are no instructions in the packaging, which may make things difficult for someone who has never used a cutter like this. The third spot weld cutter and drill in our list is the KCC Industries spot weld cutter set, which our team at TrustedShopGuy.com has awarded a 4-badge rating. The KCC Industries spot weld cutter is designed for long-time heavy-duty cutting. You won't go wrong with its durability, perfect size, and fast performance. Also, everything is packaged into a 3.8 by 0.8 by 0.7 inch durable plastic tube that weighs 0.08 pounds for easy transport and storage. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: double-sided blades. The blades allow for twice the efficiency since you can just flip the bit around and you'll have an instant sharp blade. Extra blades. Don't let dull blades interrupt your momentum. The set includes 2 arbors, several blades, and a few spares. Highly durable. Their premium quality heat-resistant steel blades provide reliable cuts over and over again. Easy to use. The bit's central pin is spring-loaded and will depress to release tension and provide guidance to begin the cut. Keeping all of that in mind, the important thing you have to consider about this product prior to your purchase is it would help if you used an oil lube to prevent blades from breaking. The fourth spot weld cutter and drill in our list is the EEKit Rotary Spot Weld Cutter Sets, which our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-badge rating. If you're on a budget, the set from EEKit is pocket-friendly. Don't be fooled by its price though, it's still as high quality and good as the expensive sets. This spot weld cutter is made from high-quality heat-resistant steel and comes with a 3/8-inch diameter cutting blade. Aside from that, they also have a compact carrying case and a total weight of 0.06 pounds. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: easy to replace. The center pin on the drill bit is spring-loaded, so when the blade becomes dull, it's easy to replace. Double-sided blade. Its sharp double-sided blades provide higher efficiency and longer life. Wide usage. It works well within stainless steel, iron, aluminum, and other thin metal sheets. Highly durable. The blades are made of high-speed steel material that is guaranteed durable and rust-free. Keeping all of that in mind, the important thing you have to consider about this product prior to your purchase is drill slowly and steadily with these bits and use high-temperature lubricants to maximize blade life. The fifth spot weld cutter and drill in our list is the Eonlion Spot Weld Cutter Sets, which our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-badge rating. Eonlion is made of top-quality steel with excellent thermal resistance to provide reliable performance and longer life. Adding to that, the cutting blade has a diameter of 3/8 inches and the arbor is of standard 1/4 inch size. Overall, the set weighs 0.2 pounds. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: clean cut. It makes a very clean hole without warping the sheet metal and preserves the integrity of the underlying panel when drilling out spot welds. Extra blades. With 11 cutting blades, you won't have to halt in the middle of a project due to dulling blades. Double-sided blades. Simply turn the bit around on its arbor assembly to access the sharper end when one side becomes dull. Highly reliable. These blades have a spring-loaded pin in the center, make it easier to efficiently grind through this spot-welded material. Keeping all of that in mind, the important thing you have to consider about this product prior to your purchase is it's only suitable for thin sheet materials. And there you have it, folks. Our 5 highest rated spot weld cutters and drills, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for a next spot weld cutter and drill roundup that you would like our team to test, do drop them in the comment section below and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our workshop great. We look forward to seeing you at TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.